Valentine's Day is coming up, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a small heart that makes a meaningful handmade gift. This heart is beginner-friendly, quick to make, and perfect for someone special. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's crochet with love. We will use a 2.0mm crochet hook. Take the blue yarn, or any color you like, and make a magic ring. Insert your hook into the ring. Chain 3 to begin. Yarn over twice. Then crochet 5 double treble crochets into the ring. For each stitch, pull through 2 loops at a time. Once the first double treble stitch is completed, place a stitch marker on that stitch. Continue crocheting the remaining 4 double treble crochets into the ring. That completes the first set of 5 double treble stitches. Next, crochet 3 double crochets, pulling through 2 loops each time. Chain 1. Yarn over twice. Then crochet 1 double treble crochet into the ring. Chain 1 again. Now crochet 3 double crochets. Followed by 5 double treble crochets into the ring. This finishes the second set of tall stitches. Gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. Chain 3. Then slip stitch into the center hole. Tighten the ring again. Chain 3 once more. Crochet into the stitch where the stitch marker is placed. Then remove the marker. In that stitch, crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet. Next, crochet 3 double crochet increases. An increase means crocheting 2 double crochets into the same stitch. After that, crochet 2 double crochets. Then 3 half double crochets. Chain 1. Work 1 double crochet. Then chain 1 again. Work 3 half double crochets. Followed by 2 double crochets. Next, make 3 double crochet increases. In the same stitch, crochet 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Pull up a long loop, cut the yarn, and leave a long tail for sewing. Pull the yarn through the loop and bring it out through the center hole. Go to the back and insert into the back loop of the first chain stitch. Turn to the back side and insert the yarn into the back loop of the first chain stitch to secure it. Weave in the yarn tail neatly. Now crochet a second identical heart piece following the same steps. Place the 2 hearts together, wrong sides facing in. Using a yarn needle, sew them together through the inner loops only, keeping the stitches clean and invisible. Once finished, hide the yarn tail inside the heart. Attach a hanging cord or keyring at the top. And that's it! Your crochet heart pendant is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crochet projects.